Why we have to choose Python? According to IEEE Spectrum, Python score is 100, Java is 96, C 94, and other programming languages have less score when compared with Python. Python is free and open source. It is easy to learn and easy to code. Giant companies like Facebook, Google, IBM support Python. Most of the companies like YouTube, NASA, Google, IBM are also using Python. There are hundreds of libraries for Python. Many frameworks like Django, Flask, Web2Py also available. Also for deep learning, few frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch are also available. Many technologies like data science, IoT, machine learning, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, robotics can be coded in Python. In IoT, you can execute Python scripts on Raspberry Pi or Jetson Nano boards of NVIDIA. Finally, once we code in Python, we can target multiple platforms, either IoT or web-based or desktop-based applications. Python is considered as favorite language for many hackers. Even the futuristic technologies may use Python.